So we have with us today two water heaters, the first one being electric, the second one gas. So we're going to focus on the electric. The electric water heater, you simply just take the electrical cord and plug it into an outlet, just like anything else that runs off electricity. We're going to point out a few things on this electric water heater first. You can see the top and the bottom look a little bit different than our natural gas water heater to the right. The top is a reflective bubble wrap that we can use as an insulation jacket to slow down the radiation and conduction of the thermo-kinetic energy in the water of this water heater. Below, we have a fiberglass water heater jacket that serves the same exact purpose. You'll cut these to size and wrap them around your water heater, and your water heater will be that much more energy efficient. We also have a window cut out in these. If you can see, this water heater is made out of a steel tank. In between the two steel tanks, it is filled with foam insulation. Once again, that keeps the thermokinetic energy inside the water and not elsewhere. On a water heater, the cold water temperature usually comes in at around 50 to 55 degrees, and most households' average hot water temperature would be around 120 degrees Fahrenheit. In the very bottom of this electric water heater, there's an element. So when you take the electricity from your home, it heats up this electric element, and that's what heats the water and allows it to gain more thermokinetic energy. This is the natural gas water heater. The main difference is the fuel source. This runs off natural gas, so we would actually have to pipe natural gas in from outdoors into this natural gas water heater and combust it and heat your water that way. The major difference between the natural gas water heater and the electric water heater is the flue. When we combust natural gas at the bottom, we get two byproducts, CO2 and CO, carbon monoxide. And we all know that carbon monoxide is very deadly. So what we do is we take convection, which we know is thermokinetic energy moving through a liquid or a gas. In this instance, it would be a gas. So we use convection to carry all the CO and CO2 out of your home into the exterior wall through this flue. So the flue is the most important thing on a natural gas water heater. If it wasn't for this, it could be very harmful for us and our lives.